Hello there. This guide is meant to be a concise, user-friendly tutorial on how to install Wrapper Offline in a way that anybody can do it if they try hard enough. I want to keep this guide short and simple, so it isn't going to be too long. Wrapper Offline is a great piece of software allowing you to delve into a piece of animation history that would otherwise be lost, and it is forever preservable on your computer. Installing this software is incredibly easy. Just watch the rest of this guide and you'll be able to figure it out. Whenever you're on the Wrapper Offline site, wrapperoffline.xyz, go to the Downloads page. From there, you will be sent to the GitHub Downloads. Go ahead and click on whatever version of Wrapper Offline that you're planning to install. It may depend on your system. After you have downloaded Wrapper Offline, go to the folder that it has been downloaded to. Afterwards, extract the file. Windows 11 has a built-in extractor tool, but you can also use something such as 7-zip. Afterwards, open the folder that Wrapper Offline was extracted to. Now click on the exe and it'll run. There! Now you have successfully installed Wrapper Offline in less than 5 minutes. Wrapper Offline includes every single GoAnimate theme besides business friendly. Create whatever you think is just going to be fun to create. Have fun with what you create. Wrapper Offline is literally limitless. You can do whatever you want with it. There's no restrictions. You do not need to install Flash in order to use Wrapper Offline. Wrapper Offline comes with its own version of Flash that can be used offline wherever you want. That way it's much more portable and easier to preserve. Thank you for watching through the entire video. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I tried to make this video as concise and understandable as I could, and I would appreciate it if you showed your support. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.